Hi students, myself R.VENKATESHWARA, Assistant Professor, Dept.of Statistics. Today we discuss about the topic matrices. The presentation contains two concepts, basics of matrices and types of matrices. First one, the definition of matrix. A matrix is a set or group of numbers arranged in a square or rectangular array enclosed by two brackets. A matrix is denoted by a bold capital letter and the elements within the matrix are denoted by lower case letters. Example, the matrix is denoted by capital A and the elements is denoted by Aij. The next, this is the examples for some matrix. Third one is the general type of matrix, A, M cross N, M rows and N columns. Next one, properties. A specified number of rows and a specified number of columns contains a matrix. Two numbers, that means rows and columns, describe the dimensions or size or order of the matrix. The examples are, first example, the matrix contains 3 rows and 3 columns. The order is 3 cross 3 matrix. And the second matrix contains 2 rows and 4 columns. That means 2 cross 4 matrix. And the third one, third matrix contains 1 row and 2 column. That means 1 cross 2 matrix. Okay. Next one, types of matrices. First one, column matrix. The number of rows may be any integer, but the number of column is always 1. The matrix contains any number of rows and only one column is called column matrix. The first one is the 3 cross 1 matrix and the second one is 2 cross 1 matrix and the third one is general matrix. The next one is row matrix. Any number of columns but only one row. The number of columns are multiple and number of rows is exactly 1 is called row matrix. The third one is rectangular matrix. The number of rows and the number of columns are not equal, then the matrix is called rectangular matrix. The first example is 4 cross 2 matrix and the second one is 2 cross 5 matrix. This is called rectangular matrix. And the fourth one, square matrix. The number of rows and columns are equal, then it is called the square matrix. A square matrix has an order of M. That means M cross M. M rows and M columns. Number of rows and number of columns are equal. First example is 2 cross 2 matrix and the second one is 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 rows and 3 columns. Next one, diagonal matrix. A square matrix where all the elements are 0 except those on the main diagonal. The mathematical form is Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j and Aij not equal to 0 for some all I equal to j. The first one is the 3 cross 3 diagonal matrix and the second one is 4 cross 4 diagonal matrix. The next one, unit or identity matrix, it denoted by capital I. A diagonal matrix with ones on the main diagonal, that is Aij equal to 0 for all I not equal to j and Aij is equal to 1 for all I equal to j is called identity matrix or unit matrix. The first one is the 4 cross 4 unit matrix, the second one is 2 cross 2 unit matrix. And the next type is a null matrix or 0 matrix. All the elements in the matrix are 0. That means Aij equal to 0 for all I comma j is called null matrix. Next one, triangular matrix. A square matrix whose elements above or below the main diagonal are all 0. That means the main diagonal above or below values are 0 is called triangular matrix. First one is 3 cross 3 triangular matrix, second and third also 3 cross 3 triangular matrix. These are two types. One is upper triangular, a square matrix whose elements below the main diagonals are all 0 is called upper triangular matrix. The mathematical form is Aij is equal to 0 for all I greater than j. Okay, the second matrix is 3 cross 3 upper triangular matrix and third one is 4 cross 4 upper triangular matrix. Next type is lower triangular matrix. A square matrix whose elements above the main diagonal are all 0. That is, Aij is equal to 0 for all I less than j. Is called lower triangular matrix. Example is 3 cross 3 lower triangular matrix. And 11th one, scalar matrix, a diagonal matrix whose main diagonal elements are equal to the same scalar. That means a scalar is defined as a single number or constant. That is, Aij is equal to 0 for all I not equal to j, and Aij is equal to a for all I equal to j. A is some constant. These are the examples of a scalar matrix. Second one is 3 cross 3 scalar matrix, and third one is 4 cross 4 scalar matrix. The main diagonal contain the same element 9. Thank you. Next presentation, we discuss the operations and other types of matrices. Thank you.